Conservation of mechanical energy of a freely falling body. Derivation. Let us say there is an object of mass m is placed at point A, and we just say that this height is h. Let we say we are dropping the object, so u equal to 0. So at point A, what is the potential energy? Potential energy is written as mg into h. What is the kinetic energy? It is dropped. It means u equal to 0. Speed is 0. So kinetic energy half mv square. V is 0. So kinetic energy is 0. What is the total energy at A? Potential energy plus kinetic energy mgh plus 0. It is mgh. Let this object drop up to a distance x and reaches at any point B. And here let the speed is v. So at B point we will write potential energy at point B. It is mg. Height of this point is given by h minus x from the ground. So we will say it is given by mg h minus x. Kinetic energy at B point is written as half m v square. V is the speed at this moment. We will apply the third equation of motion. V square equal to u square plus 2as. From A to B we are writing it is v square. U initially is 0. So it is 2 into acceleration when it is freely falling, only gravity is acting, and distance traveled is x. So v square is given by 2gx. We put here half m v square means 2gx. 2 cancel. It is given by mgx. So total energy at point B is given by potential energy at point B, that is mg h minus x, plus kinetic energy at point B, that is mgx. Further we will solve it. It is mgh minus mgx plus mgx. mgx cancel, and total energy at B is written as mgh. Now when it strikes at the ground, let I say this point is C. So at point C, potential energy will be 0 because there is no height from the reference level. What is the kinetic energy at C point? If this ball, this object strike with the speed v, here v taken v dash, then kinetic energy is written as half m into v dash square. Again we will apply the third equation of motion. V square equal to u square plus 2as from A to C. So v square, u is 0, 2 into g into total height, that is h. So we put here it is half m v dash square means 2gh, m also there, 2 cancel, it is given by mgh. So total energy at point C is written as the potential energy, that is 0, plus kinetic energy, it is mgh. So it is mgh. So what we are observing, total energy at A is mgh, total energy at B is mgh, total energy at C is mgh. It means total energy is always constant. What is happening? Potential energy at the A is completely converting into the kinetic energy at point C. So energy can be converted from one form to another form, but total energy is always constant.